Another way to convert numbers so that PowerQuery actually sees it as a number is to replace the problem characters. So if we set it up, we put it into PowerQuery. So here I can see that it's become text. Now the nice thing about text is that every one of these characters is actually in there. So let's say we decide that we think it's these commas that are causing the problem. Then all you need to do is go to your transform, say replace values, and we're going to tell it, please find anything, find all the commas, and replace them with nothing. So I'm going to leave it blank. When I say OK, you'll see it goes, replaces all the commas, so that's looking a bit more like a number. Still shown as text, but we can now fix that. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to say, please try whole numbers. And you'll see in this case it worked out. So by getting rid of the problem characters, or maybe converting those problem characters into something that your computer prefers, so in our case getting rid of the commas, will allow you to at least get it to a point where then PowerQuery can understand that it's a number and will then format it as a number.